So, you've got Telegram on your laptop and you're ready to video chat with friends or colleagues. You open a chat, confidently click that call button, and nothing. Or maybe the call goes through, but all they see is a black screen while you hear, "I can't see you." It's a super common and frustrating problem. You know your camera and mic work, so what's the deal? That simple task can feel like a maze of hidden settings and permissions, but what if I told you that in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to make a crystal clear video call? You'll also learn how to manage group calls, share your screen, and fix just about any issue that pops up. Stick around because we're about to make it all make sense. Let's start with the basics, a simple one-on-one video call. Getting this right is the foundation for everything else. The process is pretty straightforward, but knowing the exact clicks is key. First, fire up the Telegram desktop app on your laptop. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left. Find and click on the person you want to call, which will open up your conversation. Now, look at the top right corner of that chat window. You'll see a few icons. The one you want looks like a telephone. Click that phone icon and a small menu will pop up asking if you want to make a voice call or video call. Go ahead and choose Start Video Call. The moment you click that, Telegram will start the call. Your contact gets a notification and can accept or decline. Once they accept, you're connected. You should be able to see and hear each other perfectly. On your screen, you'll see controls to mute your mic, toggle your camera, and hang up when you're done. Some versions of the app might work a little differently. You might have to click the phone icon to start a voice call first, then once it connects, click the camera button to switch to video. It's a good backup plan to remember if you don't see the direct video call option. Okay, you've nailed the one-on-one call. Let's get the whole crew involved. Telegram's group video calls are perfect for team meetings, online classes, or just hanging out with friends. Starting a group call is a lot like a personal one. First, open the group chat you want to use. If you don't have one set up, just click the three dots menu, choose New Group, and add your people. Keep in mind you have to be an admin in the group to start a call. Once you're in the group, look for the call icon at the top of the screen. Click it and you'll get the option to start a video chat. Here's where things get a little different. Instead of ringing everyone at once, Telegram creates a video chat room that people in the group can join whenever they're ready. An invite pops up in the chat, which is great because it doesn't blast everyone with a call, especially in big groups. While an unlimited number of people can join the call to listen, the first 30 people who join can share their video or screen. This setup works well for things like presentations, where a few people are talking and many are watching. As people join, you'll see their videos in a gallery view. You can also tap on a specific video to make it full screen or pin it so it stays front and center. Honestly, this is the most important part of the guide. Almost every video call problem comes down to a wrong setting, either in Telegram or in your computer system settings. Get this right, and you'll save yourself a ton of headaches. Let's break it down into two spots: Telegram settings and your computer's permissions. First, let's check inside the Telegram app. Open it up and click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. You're looking for a section related to calls. It might be called Calls, Advanced, or Speakers and Camera. Once you find it, click in. Here, you should see drop-down menus for your input device, your microphone, and input camera. If you have more than one mic or webcam, make sure the one you actually want to use is selected. It's also a good idea to check your speaker output here to make sure you can hear everyone else. Now for the part everyone forgets: system permissions. It doesn't matter if Telegram is set up perfectly if your computer is blocking it from using your camera and mic. For Windows 10 or 11 users, go to your Start menu, open Settings, and navigate to Privacy and Security. From there, click on Camera. Make sure the camera access toggle is turned on. Below that, Let Apps Access Your Camera also needs to be on. Finally, scroll down the app list until you find Telegram and make sure its toggle is switched to on as well. You need to repeat this exact process for your microphone under Privacy and Security/Microphone. A common snag is the Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera setting. Make sure this master switch is on, as the Telegram desktop app falls into this category. For Mac users, the steps are similar. Open System Preferences or System Settings on newer macOS versions and go to Security and Privacy. Click on the Privacy tab. On the left, you'll see Camera and Microphone. Click on Camera and ensure the box next to Telegram is checked. If you can't click it, you might need to hit the lock icon at the bottom and enter your password first. Do the same for the Microphone section. Without these permissions, Telegram simply can't access your hardware. Alright, you followed the steps, checked the settings, but the call is still failing. Don't worry, let's run through a quick troubleshooting list to figure this out. Check your internet connection. This is the top reason for call failures. A weak Wi-Fi signal will cause drops or prevent the call from even connecting. Try moving closer to your router or switching to a better network. A quick speed test can usually tell you if your connection is the problem. Re-verify app permissions. I know we just did this, but it's so important, it's worth a double take. Go back into your Windows or Mac privacy settings and confirm for sure that Telegram is allowed to use both your camera and microphone. System updates can sometimes mess with these settings. Update the Telegram app. Bugs happen, and developers often fix video call issues in new updates. Head over to the official Telegram website or your app store and check if you're on the latest version. If not, get it updated. Restart the application. The oldest trick in the IT book because it works. Completely close Telegram. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's not hiding in your system tray or dock. Then open it back up. This often clears out any temporary glitches. Clear the cache. Apps build up temporary files over time and sometimes they get corrupted. In Telegram's advanced settings, look for an option like Manage Local Storage where you can clear the cache. Restart your laptop. If restarting the app didn't do it, try restarting your whole computer. This can solve deeper system conflicts or driver issues that might be blocking your camera or mic. Reinstall Telegram. If nothing else has worked, it's time for a clean slate. Uninstall the Telegram desktop app completely. Then go download the latest version from the official site and install it again. This guarantees fresh installation without any leftover bad settings. By walking through these steps one by one, you'll solve the vast majority of video call problems you'll ever run into. If this guide helps you get your video calls running smoothly, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps more people find this guide. And if you want more simple, no-nonsense tech tips like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And there you have it. From making that first call to a friend to hosting a big group chat and even sharing your screen for a presentation, you're now ready to handle video calls on Telegram like a pro. We've walked through starting one-on-one and group calls, tackled the all-important camera and mic permissions, and created a go-to troubleshooting guide for when things don't work. We even unlocked the pro move of screen sharing. The next time you click that call button on your laptop, you'll know exactly what to do, what to check, and how to fix it. You can now use Telegram not just for texting, but as a reliable tool for face-to-face communication right from your desktop. Thanks for watching.